I'm Kendra. I'm one of the nurse practitioners here at Renew Aesthetics, and today we're going to talk about XLV and laser genesis. With this laser, we do primarily face, but it can be used anywhere on the body. So we have a lot of people that have small cherry angiomas all over the body. It works really well for getting rid of those. We treat a lot of acne scars, even on the neck area, the chest, the back. But primarily people come in with concerns on their face. So red spots, little veins, brown spots, or just leftover acne. So an ideal candidate is anyone that has skin concerns. So brown spots, red spots, veins, acne scarring, anyone that has just stubborn areas that haven't been able to be corrected before, they're great candidates for it. Anyone that's been out in the sun. So if you've recently gone on vacation, if you have a tan, if you have a spray tan, if you have any kind of darkness to the skin from the sun, we cannot treat you. So it's a great treatment to do in the fall, winter, and it works really well. So there's really not a lot of downtime with either XLV treatments or with the laser genesis. You might have some slight redness afterward. You're able to put makeup back on afterward and go about your day. You can even do it on your lunch break. So post-care, you just want to be careful with the sun. You want to wear sunscreen. You want to avoid any topical retinoids like prescription strength medications for acne, for example. You want to maybe skip those for a couple of days. You want to avoid any acids on the skin, so alpha hydroxy acids, beta hydroxy acids. Also, even some retinols can be sensitive to the skin after treatment. People are usually concerned about how long it's going to take to see results, especially people that have had acne for a long time, and they're concerned with their self-esteem, and they want to know when they're going to start seeing some improvements. And usually that's within, like I said, the first month they're seeing something, but usually after a series of 6 is when they get their full results. Laser genesis is a great thing to do prior to any big event. So a wedding, prom, any kind of birthday party, something like that that you're really planning to have great skin for. You could even start doing that a few months prior. You're not even going to be that red after treatment, so you could even do it the week prior if you wanted to. If you're wanting more information on laser genesis or XLV, just give us a call or go to our website to schedule an appointment.